Welcome. Today we're going to talk about the 3 action items you must take in order to turn your wholesale deal quickly. As a wholesaler, you understand that time is of the essence and you have to act fast. When you get a house under contract with a seller, there's a whole lot of things to do. But if you put these 3 things at the top of your checklist, then you're going to be sure to find an end buyer quickly, get your deal to closing, and get paid. So come along with me, and I will tell you what those things are. I'm Tony. This is Run the Comps. Let's get going. Okay, so you just got a house under contract with a seller. Congratulations. Well, now what are you going to do? Well, there's something that should be at the top of your list, and if you haven't already done it, you need to get out there and do it right away, and that's visit the property and take lots of good photos of this property. Take photos of the front, take photos of the rear, the roof, the HVAC, the water heater, the electric panel, all those things. Make sure you get good photos of the kitchen and the bathroom as well. And then take these photos and upload them into a shareable file. Maybe you like to use Google or Dropbox. Doesn't really matter as long as you have a shareable file that you can obtain a link to and send it around to the people you want to show this property to. So you may have heard some of this stuff about virtual wholesaling and buyers that buy houses sight unseen. Well, it does happen, but I'm here to tell you that's not the norm. Most of your buyers are going to want to see this property before they commit to purchasing it. And in order for you to get your buyers into the property, you're going to have this conversation with the seller and set up an agreeable day and a time where you can bring people over to the property. You only need about an hour really to do it, but this is a really important step in the process because your buyers are going to want to get into that house and see the actual condition of it. They're going to want to drive the neighborhood, and they're going to want to understand what it is that they're getting into. All right, so you've got photos of the property, lots of good photos. You've got those uploaded into a shareable file, and you've had that tough conversation with the seller about gaining access to the property for 1 hour so that you can get your interested buyers into the property for a walkthrough. Well, now probably the best way to drive people to that showing is to prepare an email flyer or an information packet. So in your email flyer, you want to make sure that you include a link to all the photos of the property. You want to add in all the other property details that you think your potential buyers would want to know about, including the size of the property, year built, all that kind of stuff, what kind of condition the kitchen and bathrooms are in, if it needs a new roof or not. Buyers are all going to want to ask these questions. So as much information as you can put into your email flyer, the better. And then you can use one of those email flyer services. Maybe some of you use Constant Contact or MailChimp, or maybe your CRM has a feature where you can push out a lot of emails to your base of buyers, and hopefully you have a base of buyers to send this to. But next thing you want to do is prepare that email and get that email blasted out so that everyone on your buyer list has the information about that property and they know when they can come see it. Well, there you have it. So your email blast has been sent out to everybody you know, and your potential buyers can click through the photos at their leisure, and they know everything that you know about this house. They know what day and time they can show up if they want to come see it, and it's just a matter of time before you get this deal wrapped up and money in your pocket, right? So I hope this information has been helpful to you. Be sure to leave some comments and like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. I am Tony. This is Run the Comps, and I'm out.